The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is the first book by Nicole Apelian, and it's the second book of hers that I'm reviewing. The first one was The Forager's Guide to Wild Foods, and you can find the link to the review in the description. Because the books are very expensive, you may be wondering which one is better to have, or maybe if it's worth having both of them. Herbal Remedies has about half of the number of plants described in Forager's Guide, and many plants are described in both books. All the plants with my dots are in both books. In Herbal Remedies, the plants are described in much more detail, and the focus is on their medicinal properties. Comparing dandelion in both books, it takes 2 pages versus half a page. Both books have identification paragraph. The main difference is in medicinal uses description. While in Forager's Guide, it only says that dandelion has diuretic properties, in Herbal Remedies there is a list of ailments with details on how it helps them and what parts of the plant and in what way to use it. So, for example, about the diuretic property, Herbal Remedies says that dandelion leaves are a powerful diuretic and blood purifier. They stimulate the liver and gallbladder while eliminating toxins through the production and excretion of urine. They also help flush the kidneys. Even though dandelion is a diuretic, it helps replace lost potassium and other minerals that are lost when water and salts are expelled. So there is quite a lot of detail. In the book, there is also a long, detailed chapter on harvesting plants, making infusions, tinctures, extracts, syrups, poultices, and salves. There is also a useful chapter on household remedies, some of which are not plants, for example, bleach, Epsom salt, or honey. You can find what you are looking for in 2 ways, either by reference guide, which has a list of health problems with the appropriate plants and pages, or by appendix on the back where you can find health problems and the plant you are looking for. Something to be aware of if you have both books. Some plants are listed in the table of contents under not exactly the same name. For example, white pine. In Herbal Remedies, it's under white. In Forager's Guide, it's under pine and white is in brackets, so you may want to look under both words. Also, in Herbal Remedies, there are only 6 mushrooms and lichens versus about 60 in Forager's Guide. But again, the focus is not on identification, but on healing properties.